we're Mini Inch, and we know a thing or two about tools. This year, we've stepped it up once again to make the ordinary extraordinary. Sleek, versatile, and highly portable allow us to introduce the one tool to rule them all, the spinner drive. You can add all the bells and whistles to a screwdriver, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to two things: grip and bits. Featuring magnetic fast swapping mechanism, the bits can be exchanged in a matter of seconds. Attaching the spinner wheel instantly allows extra torque to be generated. The contact surface is also increased, providing better control and more efficient screw fastening. Sometimes, the smallest changes can make a world of difference. Traditional screwdrivers are one-dimensional tools that only solve one problem at a time. With the spinner drive, you're able to do more with less. We've also inserted a set of ball bearing in the compact body of the spinner drive, providing buttery smooth rotation to cope with delicate small parts and making fine adjustments. With the tough addition, you'll be getting titanium nitride coated bits for improved hardness and better rust and corrosion resistance. The spinner drive is truly one for all for one.